Where do you work? Where do you work? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where do you usually study? Where do you usually study? Where do you like to relax? Where do you like to relax? Where do you keep your money? Where do you keep your money? What makes you happy? What makes you happy? What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie? What hobby do you enjoy? What hobby do you enjoy? What is your name? What is your name? What do you want for dinner? What do you want for dinner? What is your dream vacation? What is your dream vacation? What is your favorite drink? What is your favorite drink? What is your biggest dream? What is your biggest dream? When do you go to the gym? When do you go to the gym? When do you feel most relaxed? When do you feel most relaxed? When did you start your job? When did you start your job? When do you plan to travel? When do you plan to travel? When do you usually go shopping? When do you usually go shopping? Who makes you laugh? Who makes you laugh? Who is your favorite teacher? Who is your favorite teacher? Who is someone you look up to? Who is someone you look up to? Who do you usually hang out with? Who do you usually hang out with? Why do you like your hometown? Why do you like your hometown? Why do you want to learn a new language? Why do you want to learn a new language? Why do you like to exercise? Why do you like to exercise? Why do you like your job? Why do you like your job? Why is this place special? Why is this place special? How many apples do you have? How many apples do you have? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? How long will it take? How long will it take? How was your day? How was your day? How can I help you? How can I help you? Which app do you find most useful? Which app do you find most useful? Which cuisine do you like the best? Which cuisine do you like the best? Which project are you working on now? Which project are you working on now?